While many continue to be increasingly frustrated by the national government's unclear plans toward handling coronavirus pandemic, the Ilonggos have remained fairly optimistic about how the health crisis will be handled in their city. Why is Iloilo tagged as the Wakanda of the Philippines, or a country within a country, during the coronavirus outbreak? Number 1. Instead of waiting in agony for the COVID testing kits from the government, Iloilo procured their own through donations from Ilonggo businessmen and wealthy families. Number 2. Iloilo has its own RITM or Research Institute for Tropical Medicine accredited testing facility. This means getting the results as soon as possible, as it skips the process of sending specimens to RITM. Number 3. Iloilo has established 240 community kitchens in barangays with daycare facilities to make sure no one dies from hunger. Number 4. Iloilo has deployed kitchen patrol to make sure frontliners like city health workers, sanitation team, and emergency responders are able to have their free lunch and dinner. Number 5. Iloilo provided dormitories for the frontliners taking care of PUIs, PUMs, and confirmed patients. Number 6. Iloilo provided food assistance to the most vulnerable sectors like jeepney and pedicab drivers while their operations are on hold. Number 7. Ilonggo nurses and local designers working hand in hand to produce PPEs for the frontliners all across the province. Number 8. Buses were deployed to make sure frontline health workers are able to report to work. Number 9. Above all, Ilonggos do not need coercion to understand and follow what community quarantine means.